Goddess Shri and Hariti in ancient Javanese beliefs. Since the earliest days of human civilization, women have often been viewed as the source of life. They are mothers, givers of life, and symbols of fertility. In many ancient cultures, this idea was embodied in the figure of a mother goddess or a fertility goddess. In the Indonesian archipelago, particularly in ancient Javanese society, this figure was known as Devi Shri. The name Shri itself comes from Sanskrit and means fertility, wealth, good fortune, health, and beauty. In Indian tradition, this word is also often used as an honorific title for figures considered sacred or noble. For the agrarian communities of Java, Sunda, and Bali, Devi Shri is more than just a mythological figure. She is a symbol of rice, the plant that is the primary source of life. The legend of Devi Shri varies widely across regions, but almost all share one common theme. The plant, or rice, originates from a woman's body. One of the oldest stories about Devi Shri can be found in the ancient Tantu Pangalaran manuscript, written around the 16th century. This story tells that when the island of Java was first created, the gods descended to perfect the world. One of them was Batara Vishnu, who along with Batari Shri became king and queen in Madang Ghana. They had 5 sons. One day, the 5 sons accidentally killed the queen's favorite bird. When the bird was cut open, 4 seeds emerged from its stomach: yellow, black, white, and red. The yellow seed then grew into turmeric, while the black, white, and red seeds turned into rice, a plant that would later become a source of life for humans. However, archaeologists believe that the worship of Devi Shri is actually much older than the influence of Hinduism and Buddhism. This tradition likely dates back to prehistoric times, when humans began cultivating rice in Asia around 1500 BC. When Hinduism and Buddhism entered the archipelago, these ancient beliefs remained. Instead, she blended with new religious concepts. Evidence of this fusion can be seen at the statue of Devi Shri found at Barong Temple. The statue depicts Devi Shri sitting on a lotus throne, holding a jug and a stalk of rice, symbols of prosperity and fertility. Interestingly, depictions of Devi Shri in Java are not entirely the same as in India. In the Indonesian archipelago, her form is more closely related to Bu Devi, or Vasudhara, the goddess of fertility associated with land and natural resources. Besides Devi Shri, ancient Javanese people also recognized another female figure with a similar role, namely Hariti. In Buddhist mythology, Hariti was originally a Yaksi creature who liked to kidnap and devour children. However, after meeting Gautama Buddha, she repented and transformed into a protector of children and a goddess of fertility. In ancient Java, Hariti was often depicted as a mother surrounded by many children. Reliefs of her can be found in several temples, such as Mendut Temple and Banyunibo Temple. At Mendut Temple, for example, Hariti is depicted sitting holding a child, while other children play around her and climb the Kalpataru tree, the tree of life in Asian cosmology. Belief in Hariti persisted even into later times. People around Mendut Temple believe that childless couples can ask for blessings from Hariti and their husbands for offspring. Ultimately, the worship of Devi Shri and Hariti reflects how ancient humans understood the world. When they saw life growing from the soil and babies born from the womb, they connected the two with one central idea: fertility. The soil that grows plants and the woman who gives birth to life, both were seen as the source of human survival. From this was born the figure of the Mother Goddess, a symbol of life revered for thousands of years in various cultures, including ancient Java.
Dijual tanah dengan lokasi sangat strategis di kawasan Jati Bening, Bekasi, dekat akses jalan tol Jakarta Cikampek dan LRT. Sangat cocok untuk rumah tinggal, ruko, kos-kosan, atau investasi properti jangka panjang. Hubungi 0878 270 52799.